There's Nick Pollard wrestling these idiots away.
Come on, then.
Don't let her get
Get over
near
here
you.
and get Sandra. That's Sandra losing her shit.
Don't get closer to her, bud.
So that's Sandra yelling and swearing at us
Comes
in
this-
public.
Littering. They're not going to come closer. Let's just...
You're aware of their behaviour? As soon as they got off the court's ground, they were into it. Thank you. So we've just stood our ground to protect my friend. Thank you.
Come on, Jim.
I don't even know who you are.
We don't know who you are.
You actually know who I am.
Okay,
Well,
fine.
Yeah, you do. Michelle Brown, asshole.
oh, you're Michelle Brown.
Oh, yes I am. See you around.
Well, we don't want to see you, Michelle.
I wouldn't know who she was.
We don't want to see you around.
Yeah, good. I don't want to see you around.
Well, then stop talking to us.
Where are we going?
Just wait for a sec. They reckon the cops are coming.
Good. For what?
Well,
Well,
they go up the stairs.
the guard was watching. He saw it all. I said I was standing to guard my friends, and he said, "Yep, I saw it."
What were the cops coming for?
Well, they'll call the cops. They're trying to get me on a breach bail.
Ah.
See?
So-
Deborah Chippendale made a false report to the police.
The last one's up.
Yes.
Can I turn this off now?
Not yet. I thought you didn't want to be filmed, so now you're filming us, Michelle Brown.
I don't.
Awful.
Stop now?